Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook error menu isn't available. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to make sure that we have a strong and stable internet connection. Then go to settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage. Here we have to tap on Facebook and tap offload app and tap again offload app. After that, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. And after the force restart, we have to go back to settings, then tap general and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Then launch App Store and re-download the Facebook. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then what we have to do, we have to tap and hold the Facebook, tap on remove app and delete app. After deleting the app, go back to App Store and re-download. And in the end, do one more thing. Go to settings, tap general and tap transfer or reset iPhone, then tap reset and tap reset network settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.